capture, getting ready to clean out a grease trap at a pizza place. Stay tuned and watch this amazingly smelly job. Thanks! While I pull this out, I don't wanna... Is there some place that we can slide this in?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I wish I knew. I would have moved everything already.
It's fine. I just have to be able to fit in that. That way there I can clean this out for you guys.
Is it good now?
Yep. Yeah, I'm going to climb right in there.
Yeah, I'd be like less than that. You guys see how bad it is?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Look, because they're running water someplace else.
Oh.
It takes a minute. There it comes, coming back.
It was all completely yesterday. I was like, what's going on there?
I just want to make sure that it's draining, so.
Yeah.
Well, at least that one's not full. Alrighty, that takes care of that one. Stay tuned and you'll see us on the next one. Hope you enjoyed.